Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme 10 to an Android device. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both and click on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this app from this developer. When it's ready, click on Open. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other smartphone. In this pop-up you can click on Not Now if you wish to, or don't click at all, and save it by choosing OK. Finally choose Send. Send at the bottom left corner of your Realme 10 and receive over here on your Android. Finally, you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories to select all of your files that you wish to send. Then choose Send over here in order to transfer them. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only one file. Choose Send and click on Got it. Now on your Android, tap on one of those options and just close this window. Finally, we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and connect using Receive button, but we can also scan this QR code. In order to scan it, tap on this scanning icon. Choose while using the app or only this time and point your Android's camera at the code. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Actually, my GIF. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!